Hi, I'm Shira.
Hi, and I'm Shayna.
So today we're going to be talking about how to put in place a really simple picture communication system. One of the first things we look at when we get started with a child is how are they getting their needs met? How are they communicating? And if they don't speak with verbal words, then they need to speak in a different way because they need to be able to communicate their basic needs. So it's really simple to put in a picture communication system. We'll go through the steps. The first thing is to take pictures of what the child likes. So this could be food, snacks, toys, anything that they really like. And you can see it's the picture of just the item on a black background. There's nothing else in the picture. So the same thing if you would take a picture of a piece of chocolate, it'd be just that piece of chocolate on a black or white background, that it would clearly be that item. So it's not confusing. The next thing is you're going to put the pictures as close to the item as possible. So if it's a picture of a cookie, you put it on the cupboard where the cookies are kept. If it's a picture of a toy, you can stick it on the actual toy, put it on the toy bin, on the cupboard of where that toy is kept. The next thing is you want to catch the child when they're motivated for that item, because if they're asking for something, they're going to have to want it. Otherwise, why would they ask for it, right? So we need to capture that motivation. So when the child is going for the toy, you're going to get in the middle of that and at the beginning prompt them towards the visual, and you're going to have your hand out so it's completely errorless. They're going to give you the picture and you're in control of this right now, and you're going to pair this with language. So you're going to say farm. 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 Good. Farm. There's the farm, and then you give them the farm. I would prompt them with the word up to 3 times. We don't want them to get too frustrated, especially when they're just starting to learn this. And I would also, depending on the level of the learner, accept any realistic approximation. So if the learner has no words and they want this, and they've given me the picture for farm, and they have no words, and they're just saying something like, and I'm saying farm, good try, that's farm. And then it's what we call shaping. And as they get better at talking, we would then expect a little bit closer approximations. And you can do this with any pictures, any items. Just get in between the item and the learner, put the picture there, prompt them to exchange the picture, get the item, book. 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 Nice try. That's book. And using the shortest possible language. Notice I'm saying book and not, do you want the book? Here's the Dora book. Say book, or any of those things. You want to give them the shortest possible word that they can approximate. And the reason we do this is that pictures actually support language development. They're not going to replace talking, and I've heard this a little too often where people are concerned, but if I use pictures, they won't start talking. They will, and the pictures will help them start talking, and they won't deter it in any way. So it's really simple to set it up. Go get the checklist from our recent blog, and you can set it up for yourself. Thanks.